Hi, my name is Wingenback. I'm the president of Wingenback Inc. Wingenback provides services in both the financial industry and in the industrial moving sector. This is a Marble Mountain move. Put a generator up in, up at the top of a mountain. Variety of steps. First of all, the first step is preparation here in our shop. Build a skid for it, and the second step was, I guess, lying awake at night figuring plan A, and if that doesn't work, plan B, if that doesn't work, plan C, because we're in the middle of nowhere, so we're gonna get this done no matter what. Well, you can see how beautiful a morning it is. Who wouldn't like that? So driving it out there with the trucks, I guess they didn't really know where we were going, so we followed each other. Yeah, we just left here, down the QE2, up to the old Sundry turnoff, turned left there, passed through Olds, passed through Sundry, drove to the end of the pavement, took the grid road. Grid road turned into dust and dirt road. Just got to the cut line to the point where, yeah, this is probably a good spot for the helicopter to, to lift from, and that's where we unloaded our gear. I was a kid when I started. My brother Al Wingenback started in 1975. He started Wingenback Incorporated. I guess his mission at that time was very similar to our mission today. Do a better job than what the industry standard provides. He was in the financial sector, so he was hiring people to install his product that he sold, and he couldn't find qualified vendors to install his product, so he left that job and founded Wingenback. We thought we were going to do a lot of the cartage of equipment and our gear up there with that skid steer. But we got out there and it was like a 35% grade, and there was only one trip for that skid steer up to that mountaintop, and that was it. We weren't going to do that all day long. It was too crazy. the morning when we got up, it was all closed in and raining and clouds, and we had nothing to do because we were prepared for this helicopter the day before. And it didn't get there till about 10 o'clock in the morning. So yeah, so I had my camper there and my RV there because I stayed on site for the whole duration. And cooked up some bacon, and we had a nice breakfast there for the crew. I pick and choose the jobs. I wish I could do more of them, but this one, when this came up, I was like, no, I'm going to do this for sure. Change my schedule around it. It is a big part of my background. Since, like I said, 17 years old, you know, my brother would give me a call, and I'd be out in the field and in the trucks. And I enjoy step by step. I enjoy planning it in my head. I enjoy a plan B. Make sure I take it seriously. I don't want to go to a job and look like a fool, so I'm going to plan it out. And I'm going to have plan A, plan B, and plan C, and I'm going to make sure that one of those works, and the customer is going to be happy. So. In recap, it was a lot of fun. Our guys, we had a couple beers afterwards, and we had a lot of cheers. And yeah, our guys both said if there's another one, they want in. I guess that's success.